If I'm in London and the shilling is going up, rather it's depreciating, I probably would be happy. There wasn't a better time to buy residential units or real estate in Kenya than today, because their GBP or the US dollar price has certainly gone up significantly.
I always say is that time is gone when you have to buy a property or you want to do a small house through your sister or your brother or uncle, and then you find that instead of building a house, they did a cattle dip. Now we have credible companies and organizations that you can put your money on, and you can be sure that what you desire is what you're going to get. Kenya is ready for business, and particularly in real estate and creating affordable housing. And the Kenya High Commission is ready, and for those who want to invest, we will always connect you to the companies that will give you credible investment. That is why we are here in London, to take care of diaspora, among other interests.